Alright, check this out. They made a snail out of towels. But it's not like we'll just assume that it's a snail. They gave it eyeballs to help us out with little stickers. How convenient is that? Little snaily snail. Oh, we got a little snail too. Oh, little snail. Hi, Connor. I'm a little snail. Hi, little snail. So they make us wear these wristband things, right? When I take it off, you guys probably can't tell. Maybe you can. Look at that tan line. You didn't think I could get any blacker? Well, I can. Look at that. Holy shit, boys. Holy. Alright, I just took a shower and I am burnt like a crisp. Like I am. You guys know me. I'm tanned. I can usually handle quite a lot of heat without getting burned. I'm red right now. This really is warm. I am friggin' tanned as balls. Check this tan line out right here on my stomach. Look at that. Look at how much I tanned from this part, which is white, to like that part, which is friggin' medium rare. Holy shit. Why did I have my bathing suit up that high? Damn, that is a big tan line. Make things worse, I even have a little noticeable, make you wear these wristbands, eh? So pull this down a little bit. Got a tan line there. See that? That's how much I tanned today. Oh, this, I'm friggin' so, I'm so warm right now, it's just like killing me. Oh my god. Look at these guns. I'm like GTLing without the G or the L. But I got the T down. Oh yeah. Alright. Eating in about 3 hours. There's my day in review update. Hey, it's really bright right now, but so you can't really see me that good. But right now, I'm walking across the street to go do some archery. It's gonna be awesome. We won't be the only two there, and if we are, that'd be awesome.
Not if the archery person is there.
Dad, are you gonna film me?
I'll film you.
Awesome. Yeah. Got my camera crew on hand.
I wonder if they got the little suction cups when they're in there.
Yeah, alright. I highly doubt that. We're doing lethal arrowheads here, boys. Connor, Master Archery, level 19 on World of Warcraft. Alright, so it looks pretty dead over here. I'm not talking about the leaves, I'm talking about the population of people. Okay, this is that basketball court that I said cop this out. Oh, there's some people here. Check that out. No net. Bullshit. Anyway.
Is that your buddy?
I don't know. Archery range is over there. We're gonna film some archery.
Damn. Your first time?
What's your name, sir? Huh?
Went on a cruise last year.
Oh, thank you.
Raise your arm. No, don't point. First, raise your arm. Okay. Now pull backwards. Pull back.
Woo!
So, in the end, archery is not my sport. I would not survive in the wilderness like the girl in the Hunger Games. If I had just a bow and arrow, I'd probably die. Nonetheless, I still say that there should be basketball nets here, because then it would be a sport where I could own these kids in. Anyway, I never liked the movie Robin Hood. What is that thing? It's chilling outside our hotel. Nice little look. What's it gonna do? I'm so thrown off by this iguana. What if it tries to eat me?
I don't know if it's an animal.
Does anybody know what animal that is? That's friggin' crazy. Could I take a picture beside the iguana? Hold my camera for a second.
Just don't get. Are we recording still?
Yeah.
Don't get. He looking at you?
It's throwing me off right now.
I think he's hungry.
Yeah, there he is. Hello, guy. How's it going? He looks pretty chill right now. Watch me like poisonous. I don't want to touch him.
No, I wouldn't touch him either.
This guy is creeping the shit out of me. Alright, so that iguana was, or whatever the hell reptile that was kind of cool. Right now we're going to check out what the tennis court looks like in the daytime. Just to do it, I guess. I want to play tennis, but nobody wants to play tennis with me. Cough father, cough sister, cough mother. Cough only people I know here. If nobody's playing tennis, we're freaking asking for rackets. Oh. There's a long climb to get to there. Look how many stairs there are. This is just a shit ton of stairs. Look at that, overlooking Mexico. And what do you friggin' know? Nobody's playing tennis. The whole court to ourselves, but nobody wants to play. Oh my god, the bird is walking on water. Holy shit. What is that? How does it do that? It's a miracle. The bird will forever be remembered as the water walker bird.